Dream journaling is a fun way to tap into your subconscious and foster creativity, self-awareness, and problem-solving. To help, we've created the Clever Fox Dream Journal, a guided diary for recording and analyzing your dreams in an effective, science-based way. This journal comes in a standard A5 size and measures 5.8 by 8.3 inches. It has a premium quality vegan leather hardcover, a pen loop, an elastic band, 3 ribbon bookmarks, and lay flat binding, so you can write comfortably wherever you are. The pages are made of thick 120 GSM bleed and smudge resistant paper. Inside, you will also find 3 sheets of bonus stickers and a detailed user guide. You can record up to 60 dreams in this journal, containing 2 pages per dream. The pre-printed prompts guide you through the analysis process, helping you remember and reflect on every tiny detail. Begin by writing down the day and date and defining the dream type. To do so, refer to the Dream Types guide at the front of the journal to find the one that best describes your dream. Some dreams might combine more than one type, so mark all appropriate options. Next, reflect on your sleep quality and how you felt upon waking. This exercise will help you understand how your dreams are linked to your sleeping patterns and mental and physical state. If you notice that your sleep quality is poor, use the tips included at the front of the book to work on improving your sleep and dreams. Now, it's time to describe your dream. Try to record everything you remember in chronological order. The more details you add, the more you will understand the whole picture. Next, use the table on the following page to start the in-depth analysis. Single out the key event of the dream you've had, and note the location and time of day, people and characters you've encountered, words, signs, and symbols you've noticed, and the overall atmosphere, weather, mood, emotions, and any colors, sounds, or smells you've experienced. Using this framework, you can spot the details to which you've paid little attention. Now, try interpreting each element of your dream you consider essential. You can use the tips and questions at the front of the book to guide you through this process. Remember, there is no right or wrong answer. No one knows you better than you do, so you're likely to detect particularly important patterns. Finally, describe your feelings, emotions, and thoughts during and after the dream. Doing so can give you insight into any feelings or worries you must address in real life. At the back of the journal, you will also find plenty of dotted pages for extra records and doodles, and an expandable pocket for storing any loose papers. We hope this dream journal will become a great source of positive change in your life, helping you learn more about yourself in an exciting new way. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.